4.72 lakhs fine for not appointing a company secretary. This is very good news and encouraging for students who are studying company secretary course. Yes, recently the National Company Law Tribunal has put 4.72 lakhs fine on Carmel Asia Holdings for not appointing a company secretary. So what the tribunal or the court is telling you now is that companies should be very careful. They are going to be imposed a fine if they don't appoint company secretary. Before that, please subscribe to Excel Academy for more such updates. So let us try to understand the background. As you know already, appointment of company secretary in private company and appointment of company secretary in public and listed company is compulsory. So that is under Rule 8A and Rule 8 of the Companies Appointment and Remuneration of KMP rules. So that is under Section 203 of Companies Act 2013. So this is a mandatory provision. So that is why many students who are thinking, will I get job? It is a mandatory provision. Every company with paid up share capital of 5 crores or more has to compulsorily appoint a whole-time company secretary. So recently we had a landmark judgment where there was a petition filed by Carmel Asia Holdings because they had not appointed company secretary and they were going for compounding of the offense. Yes, then the NCLT Bengaluru Bench has ordered the petitioner company to pay 4,72,675 rupees as the compounding fees. This is a very strict warning to all the companies in India not to take company secretaries lightly. If you don't appoint company secretary, you will be liable for fine, and this is a landmark case. Right now, all the companies are very scared and they're definitely going to appoint company secretary because of this judgment. So what happened here is that in this case, the company said that the company is a subsidiary of Sandur Power Company and they did not have adequate business activities, and because of that, whoever company secretary was appointed, they were leaving, and that is why company was not able to get full-time company secretary, and this was the reason they told why they could not appoint a company secretary. So what the court, the NCLT, told very strictly is that the available company secretaries has touched 50,000 members recently. So companies in India cannot tell that, oh, there was no company secretary and we are not able to employ them. So this is a very strict warning and also news for all the companies that they have to appoint, and if they don't appoint, they are going to get a fine. If any member finds that a company avoids to fill in a company secretary position, they can bring it to the notice of the concerned ROC. So this is something which everyone should be aware. If company does not appoint, you can report it to the ROC. So this is a landmark judgment. The NCLT Bangalore decision is landmark and it is an eye-opener for those who are not appointing a company secretary. So this is very good news for company secretary students. This is going to give you motivation and encouragement that you don't have to worry. When a company has 5 crores paid up capital, they have to appoint, and also the court has imposed fine on company which is not appointed company secretary. So this judgment is very good for the job prospects of company secretary. Now companies will not take the risk of not appointing a CS. Instead of paying lakhs together fine, better to pay salary to the company secretary and also comply with all the laws of the company. So this is extremely good, and also it shows the respect which the court has in the law and the company secretary profession. For more such videos, subscribe to Excel Academy, your one-stop solution for CS course.